Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off camera shutter sound in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and take a picture. While pressing this shutter button, you will get a sound. Listen to the sound. If you would like to turn off this camera shutter sound, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to this horizontal line and then go to this settings icon of camera, and here just to turn off this button shutter sound. Just to turn off this button shutter sound so that you will not get any sound after pressing this shutter button here. Okay. Now I am pressing this shutter button and there is no sound. Okay. So in this way you can easily turn off camera shutter sound in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.